Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world.
Residential Developer of the Year.
And here are the nominees: AFI Europe, Belgrade Waterfront, Echo Investment, Forte Partners, and Speedwell.
Wow, okay. And now I guess we'll see who the winner of it. Residential Developer. There's been a lot of great projects this year, and Residential Developer is, and the winner is Echo Investment. Yes.
Bravo.
Wow, congratulations.
Well done, Echo, and I believe we have somebody on the line from Echo PR once more. Good evening once more.
Hello again. I'm honored this time on behalf of our colleagues from ECHO. They've been very busy this year, together on acquiring side and also on sales side. They increased the number of sold apartments as one of really few developers on the current market, and looking forward for the continuing growth. And what else can I say? We are very honored, and thank you very much.
Well, Fiat, congratulations again, and enjoy the rest of the evening, and congratulations, of course, to the whole Echo Investment team.